up? And welcome to our first video. Today we are trying to trade all of our stuff in Grow Garden and this new thing. I think it's called Farmer's Market, yeah. Oh my god, there's actually someone grinding. Okay. So what do we have here? We have a mimic octopus and a bunch of dragonflies. We are trying to sell them and buy as many good stuff as we can. Now I'm trying to get a headless horseman or something like that, like something really rare to grind more shekels. But yeah, and there's an unclaimed boot. Yeah, this is by the way my prices. If you wanna buy something, just write in the comments, like, oh no. I have like, some are mutated, some aren't. Oh no, here's an audience. Oh, a raccoon? No, 850 for a raccoon is crazy price. Oh, it's mega. Oh, I don't know that mutation. Jolly decorator. Yeah, I have only 2 tokens, so I can't really buy anything. And I won't buy these tokens for like Robuxes. Like, see, 50 tokens isn't that much. Like, someone buys my dragonfly, I already get those, and like it's 50 Robux minus. Oh no, I'm lagging. Oh, a red panda. Or maybe I can get a ladybug. I don't know. Yeah, like, nobody's buying your queen bee. It's a bit overpriced. I would say, like, see, he's selling a butterfly for 110 and a queen bee for 119. It's like really overpriced. I would sell like that, like 110, 120. Oh no. See, there's 2 types of people. Like this one, who sells trash but for normal like prices. And there's like, oh no, he left. But what I wanted to say, like, there's some people who sell like their gooses for 500 and no one's buying them. Then they beg. Yeah. This is a well-priced headless horseman. Dragonflies shouldn't cost this much, but like, okay. Oh, Phoenix also very good priced. Tiger, I don't know, like maybe it could be cheaper. Like, I have seen tigers for 50, but Christmas cracker. I remember I didn't play the admin abuse war. Then I tried to. Oh no! I thought it was a kitsune, but it was just a pet mutation. Yeah, I didn't play the admin abuse war. and I traded the brain-rotted pets. I gave 100 quintillion for the brain-rotted pets to run them. It was like, then I realized, yeah, I had 2.8 sextillion. It's like for these things. I don't know where I bought those, but like, yeah. I just 2.7 sextillion is hard to spend. Like, oh, this is a normal dragonfly and giant bean. Giant bean isn't so good, but it's kind of OG. Okay, no, that's branded. I hate the people who just do like this. I can't see anything. Like, blocks the whole map. I remember I used to like flex with my pets like this. I stood next to my booth with my pet, and when these fruits popped up, they couldn't see my pet, and like, yeah.
Thing on my screen. What did Virgo say? Wait, I used to have Abby.
Oh, this is an overpriced peacock.
Yeah,
I'm trying to
I
sell
traded a bunch
mine
of
for
stuff,
like
okay,
30,
yeah,
but
stuff with
it
this
doesn't
stupid
sell.
French ferret.
Like,
I
nobody's
had
buying
like a
it.
giant
I don't know
mimic
if someone
octopus,
needs a peacock for
and now I'm stuck with
250.
a French fry
And
ferret
Nightmare
and
Mutation
corrupted
also, I
kitsune.
don't know what it
People will
does.
not
I
trade
know
me
it
corrupted
makes the
kitsune
pet
for
a bit
anything.
bigger.
I'm stuck with this. It isn't cursed.
I missed a lot of updates, so I don't know what half of these pets are, but I just buy them looking at the rarity. Nice butterfly collection. But also a bit overpriced, like I would put them at 100.
Oh. Bro, people are selling these like they're nothing. Holy guacamole.
Okay. Yeah, the mimic I got it for like 70. Then it was a really rare pet. Now everyone has one because of dupers. Yeah, I had a duped pet. I don't know which one it was. I think this one. You can't sell it. I bought it for like 30 and you can't sell it. Yeah. T-Rex is also rare, but I don't think it costs that much. Oh, Nightmare Mutation, okay. Now I see, but it costs like 200, maybe 150. I don't know what is the point of buying these promotion signs, cause it like... If nobody's buying from your booth, nobody's gonna buy from your promotion sign. That's what I'm saying. I gotta mute those people, like... It's like, everyone's talking in their voice chat, I can't hear the game. Oh. Okay, Mimic isn't that expensive. I remember this update, I didn't really like it. From this update, like Grova Garden fell off. I don't remember how to play it. Like I couldn't like discover the game. How do I say it? Like it is kind of unplayable. Like you needed to craft something to play it, and I just didn't want to. It's like a waste of money. And in those times I had like 10 billion. So like then everything was cheap. Now everything's pay to win. But yeah. Only well-priced things are these, I think. The capybara doesn't cost this much, or maybe if it's rainbow, but your nightmare. I don't know how to get the nightmare mutation. I think you need the headless horseman, but I'm not sure. Okay guys, like thanks for watching. It was kinda fun playing this game. I don't know why anyone isn't buying from me. It's like well priced. But yeah. See you in the next video, and consider subscribing. It helps. So bye.